Another day in Jersey where it's nasty out. It's absolutely freezing and it's raining. So we're gonna start this day by giving Sandy a bath and hoping that the weather clears up later. So Sandy, you want a bath? You want a bath, girl? Good girl. Good Sandy. Hey, bath. Hey, come here. Sandy, no. You stop. Give me your paw. Good girl. Give me your other paw. Good girl. All done. All done. Go ahead. You stop. You're a good girl. Sandy's all cleaned up. Fran is on her way over here right now, and then I'm gonna go get a haircut at my mom's. Let's go. Fran just got here, so let's go.
That's my plan. That's my baby. That's my plan. That's my and you don't understand. And you don't understand. And you don't understand. Please try. And you don't understand. You're so annoying.
Just finished getting my haircut. Now we're gonna go probably back to my place until my mom's ready, because then we're all gonna go out to eat for dinner. And it's still really nasty out. It's raining, it's getting colder. Ugh. A lot of cars don't have a rear wiper, and I love that mine does. Like, look how cool this is. Ah! Hi.
Ew, ew, ew. And you don't understand. And you don't understand. And you don't understand. And you don't understand.
Just finished dinner, and it's still nasty out.
And you don't understand.
Yeah, let me see those pearly whites. Bye.
Bye.
We're home. We already went to Fran's house, and we both changed up so we're more comfortable. We're just gonna stay in tonight and have a game night since it's still nasty out. And what game are we gonna play?
I don't know, we played Life before. Life was fun.
Life. Life.
Oh, you're cute.
You start college or a career. You pick which way you want to start, I think. And I suck at games like this. I always, ooh, my finger's cramping up. I suck at games like this. Every time I play like this, Monopoly, anything like this, I always lose. And people like her always get lucky. So we're all set up. I'm gonna choose the way I always do and just start career, skip college. Which way are you going, college?
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't say I want the yellow car. I want the red car.
No, there's no red card.
Yes, there is.
You're not gonna get it.
Give me it.
Take it.
Alright, go ahead.
You have to roll 10 in order to go first. Babe, roll the thing.
Go.
Oh, babe, I did this wrong.
Oh my gosh.
It's
She's trying to cheat.
No, I draw 3.
Ha!
You almost got a 1, babe.
Alright, so that's payday. This is like the nicest house you can get in this game. Best bang for the buck.
I'm not cheating.
Damn. I beat you for once. And I beat you by like double. How do you feel?
As long as you weren't being an ass, I'd be fine.
How do you feel?
If you weren't being an ass, I'd be...
Definition of a sore loser.
What?
Look how mad you are. So we're doing life. Next game we're gonna play is Guess Who. This game is really old, but it's really fun. You're a person of female.
Yes.
So am I 2 for 1?
You are 2 for 1, right?
What? Don't be butthurt.
I'm not.
So we're So we're done playing.
Oh my.
So we're done playing. Look, you can see her in the corner. She's so annoying. Oh, you see that? That's ending off game night, and this is where the vlog is gonna end.
You don't